Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button. Y'all already know what to do. Leave a like on the video and comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel. But anyways, we are back today with a very special shoe review, man. First and foremost, big shout out to my boy Ben Kicks. That's my boy, man. He's like a 13, 14, 15, I don't know, I forgot what age he is. I think he's 14 now. Year-old reseller. And my boy's tough, man. He's tough. Located in like Scarsdale. And he's been botting, getting stuff online. And he's just been doing this for like a year. And he assisted me on this pair of Supreme Dunks right here. Damn, I already told y'all what the shoe was. But y'all didn't know about the title. He assisted me with these Supreme Dunks right here. He was like, yo, Andy, I got these in the size 9, cop them for personal. And I was like, you know what? Let me do a review on them, you feel me? So big shout out to my boy Ben Kicks. He was like, yo, your birthday's tomorrow. So boom, I got your, your kicks for you. So yeah, we have the shoes right here. Supreme Dunks right here. So the OG Supreme Dunks came out, the highs. So there's been a lot of variations of Supreme Dunks. In my opinion, the mostly coveted ones was the, the Supreme Dunk highs with the stars in the middle, the gold stars. And they're coming out with the same variations of those, but in lows instead. Dunks are coming back, the hype is getting, up. But I don't know, I think they're starting to kind of drop because Nike's starting to mass produce them. But then also Nike mass produced Jordan 1, so you'll never know, man. Like, the hype is still there, you feel me? All that aside though, I wasn't able to get my hands on a pair. I just like didn't even try for the release, man, because your boy had to dig the shirt out for this one. Too broke for Supreme. I had a lot of Supreme pieces in the past, but I sold like most of those because I just feel like, yo, like, why was I spending like hundreds of dollars on shirts, like a t-shirt, you feel me? But I actually do like Supreme. I like the cool pieces that are valuable, like $100 something, $200 something. But spending like $800 for a t-shirt or $1,000 something for a hoodie that says Supreme, it's just not worth it in my opinion. But they have been starting to die down, like Supreme hype's been dying down. But I'm rambling on too much. Let's get into the unboxing, man. So as y'all can see, it comes in this like purple box right here, Nike SB. Yeah, basically a regular SB box, nothing too crazy. And the size tag is right here. It is a size 9. Retail on these were only $110. The last Supreme Dunks I copped were the white and red ones, and then the blue and navy ones. I sold those through consignment and they sold for the bag. So yeah, I got my money's worth out of those. But yeah, here's the kicks. As y'all can see, size tag. The color code is white/black metallic gold, and retail is $110, like I said. So let's hop into the unboxing. So just flipping open the box, the first thing you will notice is the tissue paper. And the tissue paper is a little bit different. It has the Nike logo along with the Supreme logo. If y'all can see right there, it's not just a regular white tissue. And flipping it open, we have the shoes right here. And not gonna lie, first look at these shoes. These nice, man. These nice. I ain't gonna lie, these are nice right here. And yeah, y'all see the colorway. It follows the white and black Nike Dunk lows. Those are releasing, I think, in like a week or two. So make sure y'all check in, enter y'all raffles, do all that good stuff. And it also comes with this Supreme Nike tag right here. This also came with my last Supreme Dunk. I think I still have the tag over here. Let me find it for you guys. Yeah, I still have my tag right here, as y'all can see, from my last pair of Dunks. It's cool, man. It's cool. So let's just cut to a quick little B-roll, give you guys an in-depth look, and I'll come back, break down the materials and the colorway and everything else, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at all the details and stuff of the sneaker. If you guys want to compare like real versus fakes, you guys could come back to this video as a reference. But yeah, let's hop into the colorway breakdown on these Nike Dunk SBs. I've been calling them Dunks the whole video, but then I was like, yo, these are really like SB lows, you feel me? But Dunks are just like smoother to say, because I'm more of a Dunks fan than SB, but I'm blabbering on again. So as for the colorway breakdown, like I said, it follows the white and black Nike Dunks that are releasing next week. And yeah, as you guys can see, most of the shoe is in black and white. Right here around the toe is black, following up the eyelets and ending off at the back on both sides. The Nike swoosh is also black on the lateral side and the medial side, and the outsole is black as well. Then with the insole, they have this special detail. It says Supreme in white, and here's the other shoe. That's just the Sup, and this is the Ream, Supreme, you feel me? And yeah, man, the rest of the shoe, the toe box is in white, as you can see, midsole as well, along with the tongue and the mid panels. The detail that makes it stand out is that gold stars in the mid panels on the medial side and the lateral side. Also, it has gold stitching on Nike in the back with gold Nike on the tongue right here. And it also comes with this Supreme pin, man. Now laces, it comes with black laces laced in, but also extra pair of white laces on the inside. And then another cool detail is that it says world famous on the lace tips right there. Wants to focus, boom. And yeah, man, also I don't know if I said the insoles was black. The insoles are red. I'm colorblind, man. No, don't mind that. You know, it looked kind of dark in there. So yeah, here you guys have the shoe. Now moving on to materials, they're using this like crocodile or alligator or some gator, you know what I'm saying, texture right here. But I personally don't think it is really alligator. I think it's just like the design that they use, and that is on all of the black. As you guys can see, the Nike swoosh, the back right here and around the toe. And then the leather that they use is better quality leather than the other Nike Dunks that they've been releasing. Those are kind of like more plasticky. This one right here is better. Like you can see the detail, and it's a lot better quality. Like if I pinch it in, you can see like creasing. So yeah, man, the leather is really nice on this shoe, not gonna lie to you. And of course you can't forget the fat tongue on the Nike SBs, man, for skaters. That's what it was made for. It was for like skateboarders. But yeah, that covers basically the materials and the colors. With that being said, let's talk about sizing. Now for sizing, I would suggest going true to size on Nike Dunk SBs, lows. And yeah, man, not really much to say. If you guys could try on a pair, which I always suggest, try on a pair, see how your true to size fits. So if you're a 9, get a 9. If it fits a little bit too big, because it is kind of like a narrow shoe, I would suggest going down half a size. But that's pretty much like, you know, self-explanatory on most Jordan 1s and Dunks. They fit like kind of the same. With sizing always comes comfort. So with comfort on Nike Dunks or SBs, it's like flat at the bottom, but it is a pretty comfortable shoe, especially with this tongue. This tongue really protects like your front of your like foot, man. This tongue is like, what do you call it? It's like a pillow, man. It's like a pillow, and that part is really comfortable. Everything else on the shoe is basically pretty flat, man. There's no really like updated technology in there or any cushioning that makes you like, you know, that blows your mind. But you know, it is what it is. It's just a Nike Dunk SB. And with that being said, that covers pretty much the whole review of the sneaker. And of course, we can't have a review without breaking down the resell of this shoe right here, man. Now, resell on this sneaker is pretty crazy. Now, if you check the Nike SB Dunk highs on these, they're going for like a couple $1,000, you know what I'm saying? That orange pair, fire. That baby blue pair, fire. The colorways on this, the lows, is kind of, you know, not as, you know, spectacular as the highs, but it still gets the job done. Like this pair right here is very clean. So resale has been going pretty crazy. They're around like $890, $850 ish right now on StockX, and mind you, retail is only $110 on these, so you're making like crazy profit on these. So these are definitely worth the pickup if you know, got them for retail, but I don't think a lot of people got them for retail. And do I suggest holding on to them? I do think these are a shoe that you hold on to, because you know, Nike Supreme Dunks, SB, all classics right there. They're just gonna go up. Do I think prices are high right now? I do think they are a little bit high. It might take a little bit of dip just when pairs start coming in and Nike releases their pairs. So I do think it's gonna drop to like 700, low 800s, and then it's just gonna go to the moon, man. That's just how most of these shoes are. So I do suggest holding on to these long term. But if you can't sell them right now for 900, get your bread, you know, and then you can always buy them back. That's how I look at it. So these definitely will go up in price just because it's like a classic colorway, Nike Supreme collab. It's self-explanatory, you feel me? And that makes it for the resale prediction. I would suggest holding on to these if you have like one pair, or you know, sell them and then buy them back later. That's for my final opinions on these sneakers. Let's wrap it up with that. I do think this is a very, very nice shoe right here. It's a little, it has the hype, it has the quality, and yeah, it's just overall very, very nice. And that makes up, you know, this review. Would I cop a pair? Probably not, because they're a little bit too expensive for my liking right now. Your boy's a little cheap, you feel me? I got a lot of sneakers, so your boy's cheap. I'm not gonna spend like $900 on a pair of sneakers, man. But yeah, it's your boy ALin. Comment down below what you guys think, man. Where you guys think resale's gonna go, opinions on the sneaker. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.